Hello guys! Gamit namin ngayon ng old car ng aking asawa. Nasa dito po kami sa bank at nag-deposit kami. Tingnan mo yung deposit dito. Pero in the drive-thru. Walang ganito. Never kong nakita to sa Philippines. Yung pag nagde-deposit kasi ako ng pera, pagpasok pa ako sa bangko. So ito, drive-thru. Ayan o. Meron din drive-thru na magwi-withdraw ka. Ayan. Kaya dito hindi ka na pwedeng maglakad, hindi ka na pwedeng lumabas sa sasakyan. Diba? Ayan o. Tapos yung perang nilalagay nyo dyan sa may ano sila, lagayan ng pera. Tapos bibigay mo yung ID doon. Tapos antayin mo lang mga ilang minuto. Andyan na. O, galing nga. Sabi ko nga, ganun pala yun. No? Kasi sabi nyo lang ganyan, parang ignorante. Diba? Nakakatawa. Hindi silang mic. Pagkausap mo yung isang teller, ginagamitan nila ng mic. Weird.
What's so weird?
I never see like that before.
Like a drive-through deposit?
Huh?
Yeah. Well, bigger banks have it. A lot of bigger banks have it. The small banks, they don't. But most of the bigger banks, they all have it. It's common here in the U.S.
So, bibili kami ng kapon today kasi bukas is Independence Day. So, magse-celebrate kami. Magluluto ang aking asawa ng favorite kapon niya. Masarap naman. Favorite ko na rin. Lalo na yung mga meatballs. Meron siya nilalagay na meatballs, egg, quail egg. Yun, masarap yun. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yung noodles, tapos yung noodles medyo maanghang.
I'm all set for you. Have a good morning.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Where's the ID? Where's your ID?
They're going to send it back.
Diba? Galing no? Ang taray. Ano dito yung mga tao dito parang tamad. Hindi ko na maalam. Parang feeling ko lang kasi parang mga tamad. So, super high-tech na, no? Parang tiyatawad na maglakad. Lagi na nakaupo sa ano. Tama ba ako?
Yeah.
Ka na.
You can go.
Diba? Dito kami sa old car niya.
That clock is not correct, but I'm not going to fix it.
Diba? May spider web na. So, hindi na rin ginagamit. May spider web. Hindi na kasi nagagamit eh. Minsan lang tong nagagamit pagka
That's how old it is.
pagka summer. Ayan, gagamitin niya. So, punta na kami sa Ann's Market. Ayan. Akala ko dati cellphone yan. Hindi pala. Maybe I thought this one is cellphone.
No, it's not. It's an old GPS. But I also use it to track my speed, mileage, and, a lot of other data that the car collects.
Oh, baby, don't drive so fast. I don't like that. When you drive like stop, something like that. Yeah, weird. I'm so scared. Medyo mainit for today's video. Natakot ako pag ito yung nag-drive niya. Para kung hindi ligtas. Dito po kami ngayon sa Asian store. Bumibili ang aking asawa ng pagkapon. Kasi ito yung binili ko, mango. Meron silang ganyan, no? Merong yellow curry paste. Pero ito yung dito pang Pinoy. Meron ditong chili garlic. Kaya mga paborito ko. Meron pa kasi kami nito sa bahay. Meron din silang bagoong dito eh. Saan ba yung bagoong nabili ko rito? Meron pa tayo. pad thai sauce. O, diba? Chili flakes. Walang relo.
You have any more of the dried garlic and fried onions?
We have a little bit. Nick bought
Get
it.
some more.
If you want.
Make some extra ones, right?
Yeah. Ito yung ano namin sa Shanghai yun.
Do we need more of those?
Yeah, we don't have like this anymore. And then, asan na ba yung bagoong dito na nabili ko dati? Dito na ako bumibili ng ano. Ay, bili ako ng suka. Wala na kami suka. Tsaka toyo. Hindi, suka lang. Mahal na. Ay, hindi naman ako bibili. Dito yung pang ano nila. Ito yung chicken. Yan, doon ako bumibili. Yan, yan. May spam din, sardines.
These are a little bit old.
Yeah, we should go to the Walmart. Can I buy eggplant?
If you want, you can.
Yan, dito ako bumibili ng kimchi. Kaya may kimchi pa ako eh. At ito, may mga pork dito na may taba. Diba? Tapos ice cream. Gusto ko ng ano, hipon. Yan. Yan, snuggle niya. Meron na rin sinigang. Sa Walmart. Gusto ko itong bilhin. Hindi ko alam kung bibilin ko ba. Oh, ito.
We gotta do it early.
Or ito. Meron ding black and gray. Ito, maganda.
I don't think I'm gonna buy fireworks.
Yeah, don't buy.
Because at 9 o'clock it's not dark yet. And if you want to wait till it's dark to do the fireworks, then it's raining already. Because they're predicting rain around 10 p.m. to 11 p.m.
Okay, don't buy then. I don't care about the fireworks.
You might not even go to the parade either. Oh, I forgot to tell you. The messages were yesterday. I don't know what they're saying, but it's Filipino. You want to listen to it now?
Yeah.
Here. Messages.
Yan.
Okay, listen to it.
Gusto ko na ito.
You have one new voice message and one saved message. New message.
Ayan, that's Filipino. Bibili ang aking asawa ng malaking pot. I think the bigger one is $29. That one is the same tier, old pot.
No, this is taller. The one I have is kind of like that one. This is taller, so this is going to be good.
Okay, it's up to you.
12 quarts, 16 quarts.
Ano yung price mo? Dito po kami sa Walmart. Hindi ko alam kung ito ba yung gagamitin ko for my makeup o ito. That's bigger.
But this one is double the price. It's only slightly bigger, but it's double the price.
But that one is like fat. Not
Yeah,
skinny.
but it's only 16 quarts. This is 12 quarts, so it's only slightly bigger.
Okay, get one then.
If they charge double the price, there should be double the size. There should be 24 quarts, or at least 20.
Okay.
Or maybe this is $24. Glass.
Maybe I'm gonna look somewhere else. Huh?
This is actually
Stay here.
$21.
Hindi ko alam kung anong bibilin ko. Hinahanap lagay ng cotton buds, no? Mahal nga eh. Ba't ang mahal? Wala bang mas mura? Hindi ba? Balik na lang ako next time. Ito yung gusto kong bedsheet.
Sheet set. Brush.
Does they have a pillowcase already?
Well, let me see. One full flat sheet, one full fitted sheet, two standard queen pillowcase. So yes, it does come with a pillowcase. So it comes with a sheet, which I use for the window, and then it comes with the mattress cover, and then two for the pillows.
And another 2 pillowcase. Because we have 4 pillowcase. Right.
No, we only have 2 pillows.
We have 4.
Where's the other 2 come from?
Oh, we have another one. I bought it.
That one can be in a different color, so we can distinguish the difference.
Okay.
Okay? Because if you make them all the same, then you don't know which one is the different one. Because you have one that's different. So you can put that one in a different pillowcase.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. We'll buy a new one next time. Now that you have this of it. Well, you know what? I should get one more. So when you need to change this one, we have one. So we don't have to come back and buy it.
I like the stripe like that, but it's color blue. But they don't have it.
They don't have it?
What do you like?
How about...
The gray one.
How about this one? This one's striped and it's blue. That's the only other blue that's striped. Or if you just want flat blue, that's blue. There's other blue over here. And the flower. But that's it. Doesn't have anything else.
You like this one?
It's okay.
It's very difficult.
Why don't we just wait till next time?
Yeah, just buy that one.
We already got that one. Let's go.
Yeah, I'll buy this one next time if I need it. But this time, I think I have something to do.
Okay, and scan it.
Huh?
Scan it. I'll show you how to do it.
Can you hold this? How am I gonna scan?
Okay. Inside the bag.
$7? So expensive.
Okay, and then you just click pay. No cashiers or cashback options available. Oh, it's not available here.
So, you should swipe it and I'll pay you later.
That's why I don't like self-checkouts. Is there a self-checkout that accepts cash?
Yeah, anyone but this one. So
Anyone
number
but
9.
this one.
Yeah,
Okay.
number 9 over there. Can
Let's
take
go over there.
I'll just cancel this for you guys.
Thanks. This is how you do it. Scan it. We click pay. So, we put it in here.
Let's go.
You see? It'll give you change all by itself. So $11.62. That's your cents. And you can put that in your jar. So now you have some food. Here's your change. Now you can put it in your jar.
Okay.
That's it. It's as easy as that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only reason why it didn't work is the other one doesn't have it. And if you want to pay with coins, they also have this slot here where you can drop it in.
Oh, okay. Now I know. Thank you.
Alright, let's go.
Morning guys. Kaya gising ko lang. Hindi ko na natapos kahapon yung aking vlog kasi sinundo namin yung mga bagets sa sa bahay nila. So yung mga bagets nandito. Kaya gising ko lang. Ito pa yung morning routine na ginagawa ko. Watas ko lang magilamos, toothbrush.
Yeah, it's also going to be scattered thunderstorm.
So ngayon po ay Independence Day. Chine-check ng aking asawa. They have a thunderstorm too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's going to be raining everywhere Friday. So the zoo's probably not even going to be open either. So we're probably not going to go.
So hindi kayo makakapunta ng So may bagyo daw. So today is Independence Day. So hindi ko alam kung ano oras kami alis mamaya. Pumunta kami sa downtown. Buy me ice cream baby
If they have some downtown, sure.
Tapos pagod daw kahapon. Ngayon magluluto kami ng kapong. So dito na natin i-end ang vlog natin kasi ang dami ko lang ginawa kahapon, So, thank you guys for watching me and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and God bless.